When were you born?
I was born on the 5th of December 1963.
When did you start school?
I started school when I was 4 years old.
When did you learn to read and write?
I started to learn to read and write when I was 4 years old.
When did you finish school?
I finished school when I was 16 years old.
When did you learn to drive?
I learned to drive when I was 18 years old.
And when did you buy your first car?
I bought my first car when I was 19 years old.
When did you go to university?
I didn't go to university. I went to work.
When did you get married?
I got married in October 1992.
When did you buy a house?
I bought my first house when I was 33 years old.
When did you start working?
I started working when I finished school, which was when I was 16 years old.
When did you have children?
I had children when I was 34 years old.
When did you move to another country?
I moved to another country in 2003.
When did you retire?
I retired last year.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.